Alright, so what we got here is a Honda Insight 2012. Is now installed with a rear camera, rear view mirror, as well as a dash cam. So it's a 2-in-1 system. So as you can see, that's beautifully installed there. It goes over your original mirror. So it is a dash cam as well, so it's got the front dash cam there, and also got the rear one acts as a dash cam as well as a rear view mirror, so that way you can see the rear in a video format. And when you put it into reverse, it will auto switch and give you the grid lines for parking. It does have different angles as well, so you can choose your preference. Also the dash cam built in. So you can view the videos straight on the screen as well. If you want this installed on your vehicle, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.